Hi, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. Oh, I'm so tired. Well, I'm at Reigate Heath, and we're on the path. Just walked down a hill, and there was an outcrop of probably the upper greensand hive bed. So I've just walked down past the farms, and I've come to the path that goes up to the Skimmington Castle. So I'm on my way to the Skimmington Castle pub at the moment. So we'll swing this round and we'll make our way up the new path. And no, I haven't got the buggy today. Still not feeling 100%, but I've got a walking cane, and I'm basically walking up the revamped path to the Skimmington Castle at Reigate Heath. I did have a look at the very top of the bank prior to the outcrop, but I was looking for old bottles, as you know. I did find some, but they're about 1920, 1930, just not quite old enough for what I'm looking for. Quick, get the shovel! Yeah. And an horse. There's an horse up there. So basically I've got to force my way up this hill now. No buggy. Phone in one hand and a walking cane in the other. And I'm not exactly... Oh, interesting. The remains of a shaggy inkcap mushroom right at the bottom of this cutting, or lawyer's wig fungus. It's come from somewhere. Still making my way up. Through this cutting. Get me exercise. Yes, finally, Dr. Fox 2000. He's finally managed to get his streaming sorted out. Oh dear. So tired. Yeah, we had a very, very short test stream earlier from Grindavik in Iceland. So Ernie, Dr. Fox 2000, he's finally sorted out his streaming. He literally had to call Google to have words with them, to have them sort it out. Oh boy. It's all downhill from here, but is that good or bad? Every time I walk past you I'm looking for old bottles, but there isn't. If there was any of them now, I'd probably be picked up at least 40 years ago in the heyday of bottle hunting. And by helicopter. Oh, yeah, he got hold of her in the helicopter. And here we go. We're almost there now. But this was completely impassable at one point. It was all mud. Literally all mud. But the way we came. Reigate Heath and the Bonnie's Mineral Water Works was around here somewhere. Bonnie's Mineral Water Works is in Bonnie's Road. And there you go. There's the back of the Skimmington Castle. Oh, too many helicopters for my liking. Man, who knows? A metal detector around here, you might find a few coins. Almost there now. I did find one tiny little bottle at the top of the bank. Honestly, it drives you mad, doesn't it? You go to do a video, raving lunatics, another time you got helicopters by the score. Oh dear. And you have reached your destination. Undoubtedly one of the finest hidden away gem pubs in Surrey, let alone the UK. The Skimmington Castle. Oh boy. And as always, every single day, every second is busy. So tired. Anyway, I think we'll leave it there now. I'm going to go in, get myself a drink, may get something to eat, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.